Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on the application of Pokémon Go. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Pokémon Go and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.